What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So, as someone who basically reviews bank accounts and credit cards for a living, I get questions all the time about what cards I personally use in my day-to-day life. Through all of the review videos that I've made, I've probably had almost 100 different bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial tools. Yet despite all of that, I carry just 5 credit cards in my wallet that have allowed me to earn well over $10,000 in cashback and rewards in just a few short years by simply paying for things that I would regularly be buying anyways. So this is definitely a different video, but today let's go through my wallet to see exactly what cards I carry and hopefully show you how you can start earning thousands of dollars in cashback today. Alright, let's jump right into it. Okay, so first of all, what wallet do I carry? Because I do get questions about that pretty often, and truthfully, I have been on the search for the perfect wallet for several years, and the one that I'm currently using I have had for well over 2 years now, and I still love it. I mean, I have tried the traditional bifold wallets, trifold wallets, had the sticky thing on the back of my phone, used every popular wallet that you probably see ads for here on YouTube, and even had a Louis Vuitton wallet for a little while, which was a really questionable decision. But after all of that, for the last 2 years, I have used this $14 wallet from Amazon that is by far my favorite. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick this up, but this is the Volkit pop-up wallet, and like I said, it's currently only $14, and it's metal, and it's RFID protected, which is really nice, and the coolest part is you just push this little lever on the bottom, and all of your cards pop right up, making it really easy to sift through and figure out which card you need to use. And as we'll learn in this video, when it comes to using multiple credit cards, optimizing your spending and knowing which card to use for certain purchases is really important if you want to maximize your cash back. So anyways, then you go ahead, pay for your transaction, slide the card right back into the wallet, and everything is reset. And honestly, it's just kind of fun to play with, but by far the best part is the fact that it has such a slim form factor. It's about the same size as the old iPod Touch, if you're old enough to remember that, and personally, I am a huge minimalist when it comes to the stuff that I have to carry in my pockets every single day. But I understand that this is not going to work for everyone, because no, it doesn't really carry cash, although you could slide cash in the place of one of your cards, or get a money clip version, but it's definitely designed for those of you who have narrowed down your cards to just a few different options, and you don't have to carry a bunch of receipts and cash and all of that stuff. But it does come in a ton of different designs, including an option that holds twice as many cards, and this same wallet is made by a bunch of different companies that get very, very expensive and fancy, but personally, I just have the plain, cheap metal version, and it has worked just fine for me, considering I've had this exact same one for over 2 years now. Alright, so enough about the wallet that I use. What the heck do I actually carry in it to earn over $10,000 in cash back? Well, first of all, obviously, all the way in the back, I just have my driver's license, which isn't too exciting, but other than that, I have just 5 cards that I carry to earn thousands of dollars in cash back. Starting off all the way in the back is the staple of my wallet and was the very first card that I got when I turned 18, and that is the Discover It credit card. Currently, I have this cool design with the Yosemite National Park, but if you're familiar with the Discover It, then you probably know that they have so many different options to choose from and different designs, and you can constantly change this, and I've probably changed my design like 5 different times, so that is a nice benefit if you care about what your card looks like. But the Discover It is a fantastic place to get started if you are brand new to credit cards, and I have done a full review video on this card, so definitely check that out if you want some more information. Next up from the back is another one of my favorites that I got as soon as it came out a few months ago, and that would be the SoFi credit card. This is upside down, isn't it? This card keeps it pretty simple, and I have done a full review on this as well, and I also did a video where I compared this card to the Discover It, since I know they are very similar, but personally, I see value in having both of them, which is why I carry both of those cards with me every single day. Next up, we have the newest addition to my wallet that I actually just reviewed a few days ago, and that would be my Point Cashback debit card. Now, if you didn't see my review on this product, definitely go ahead and check that out, because this is a really, really unique financial tool that offers you a ton of benefits without the drawbacks of a credit card, because it doesn't have interest payments or debt, since this is actually a debit card. So not only is this going to give you up to 20% cash back on certain purchases, but it also gives you a bunch of crazy travel benefits, warranty protections, and having only been using it for a few weeks now, I am finding that I use it more and more for my daily purchases because it offers higher rewards than some some of my other credit cards. And also, when I did that initial review on this product, Point did give an exclusive offer to my viewers. So if you do want to get this card and you want to get $100 for free, then there is a link in the description below where you can claim that offer and get $100 when you make your first purchase on the Point cashback debit card. So these three are definitely staples that I will be using for a very long time and will probably keep in my wallet for a long time, especially since the SoFi credit card and the Discover It card are also helping to build my credit since they are credit cards. But these next two are probably what I use the most, and that's why they're at the front of my wallet. So next up is a card that some of you might not need, but that would be the Novo Business Debit Card. Now, I've talked about this before in other videos, but keeping your personal expenses separate from your business expenses is extremely important if you want to run a legitimate business, even if that's just a small side hustle. And as this channel has continued to grow and I've gotten more and more support from all of you, I always want to be reinvesting money back into the channel to make better content. So anytime I'm buying something for the channel, whether that be equipment, software, or some kind of service that allows me to optimize the channel, I always use my Novo business bank account, meaning I put those charges on my Novo Business Debit Card. I have also used the American Express Blue Business Cash Credit Card, but since I already have purchased a lot of high-end equipment and all of that stuff for the studio, usually any expenses that I have for the channel are little odds and ends here and there. So for the most part, I put all of those little things on this debit card. So it doesn't necessarily give me any crazy cash back like that American Express business card would give, but the benefits that my Novo bank account gives me are definitely worth it, and I am able to unlock more benefits when I spend money on this card. Alright, moving on from there, we have the last card that I carry with me every single day, and this is the one that I definitely use the most, and that would be my American Express Gold Card. Now, as with everything that I've talked about today, I have done a separate review video on this credit card, and while it does have a pricey $250 annual fee, the rewards and benefits that it offers you are going to more than pay for itself. And personally, I get a net benefit of easily $3,000 per year just by using this card for those larger purchases. I mean, I've only started using it consistently over the past several months, and I have already accrued over 116,000 American Express membership points, which is worth well over $1,000 depending on how I redeem it. And the thing that I love most about this card, and really any American Express card, is they don't give you a hard credit limit like you would get with a lot of other credit cards. And instead, you just get what they call spending power, and basically this goes up over time as you spend more and pay it off, and this means that you're usually able to put much larger transactions on this credit card or other American Express cards than you would be able to with other options that have a hard credit limit. So yes, $250 per year for a credit card probably sounds insane, but the rewards and benefits that I get from this more than pay for itself multiple times over, plus it just looks really awesome and it's metal, so what's not to like? And the sign-up bonuses that American Express offers are constantly changing, but currently they'll give you 60,000 points when you spend $4,000 in the first 6 months for the American Express Gold Card, and there's a ton of other sign-up bonuses, and they have a ton of other card options, some of which are free, so definitely check out the link down in the description below where you can look at all of the different card options and bonuses that they currently have. So there you have it, those are the 5 cards that I carry with me, plus my driver's license, that allow me to earn thousands of dollars in cash back every single year. And really, this is all I need. My dad likes to give me a hard time that my wallet is so small and only carries a few cards, but at least for the time being, it works just fine for me, and perhaps down the road, I'll have no option to have that 1-inch thick stack of cards and receipts that your average dad seems to carry, but for the time being, I really like this wallet, and it carries everything that I need for my daily spending. So I hope this video was entertaining in some way, since it's very different than what we usually cover here on the channel, and I would love to hear what wallet you are currently using, and what cards you carry in that wallet to optimize your spending and earn that sweet cash back. But at the very least, I hope this shows you that with a little bit of effort, you can earn some insane benefits, rewards, and cash back just by using a few different credit cards to optimize your spending. And I feel I should also mention that if you are going to use any kind of credit card, you should, number 1, always be paying it off on time without fail, and number 2, you should never spend more money on a credit card just for the sake of getting cash back or points, because obviously that makes no sense. But just using a few different cards for your regular everyday expenses can allow you to earn some insane cash back and get some other fantastic travel rewards and benefits as well. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, it would mean a lot to me if you would hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who you think would get value out of this content as well. And of course, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch my video. I really do appreciate that. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.